Can jump. Jump, jump, jump. Spin the frog. Oh, big girl. Moving all around. Can you smile? Lila, smile. Say hello, everyone. Come visit me soon. I'm getting so big, y'all. I'm getting so big. Jump, jump, jump. Look at those little feeties. Just moving all around. Lila, can you give mommy a smile? Give mommy a smile. Can you laugh at mommy? Oh yeah. Tell them what you did last night. Say I had some rice cereal and some peas and I did not like them. I didn't like them, did I? No. Tell them what you did. Did you take your bib and wipe off all the peas off your tongue with your bib because you're so smart? Yeah. Yeah. Right. Can you wave bye-bye? Wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Bye-bye. Come see me soon. Love y'all.